That's the entrance to Central Park Hotel. And honestly, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening to every one of you on this beautiful globe. How you doing, everyone? And hope you have fantastic day. Welcome to beautiful Bali Island, the tropical paradise. It's Bo here again, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at Central Park, and this place is located just about 1.2 kilometers from Legia Street, and this is still part of this area. And then in this video I'm gonna take you to IKEA and Mr. DIY, which is located in this area. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Honestly, it's Indonesian eatery, makan siang. That means lunch, and the price is only 60k. The place is right here on the right hand side. There is the food menu over there, where you can order something like soto banjar, ayam goreng, nasi uduk. It's all about Indonesian food. Just want to let you know, guys, this area is one of the shopping districts that is located in about 5 minutes away from Legia Street. I'm pretty sure many of you don't really know about this area. That's why I'm doing this video for you guys. If you guys want to come down to this place, it's just walking distance, or you can catch a taxi, which is a short distance. There's so many shops you can find in here. Some of them are restaurants as well. Over there is Korean barbecue across the street. Let's have a look. We're gonna walk past. Okay, the place is called Bali Kita. Experience Korean shopping with our fresh new look. And the next one is Prudential. If you don't know, Prudential is like insurance company. It's a health insurance company. There is a coffee house coming up right in front of me. It's on the left hand side here. The place is called Coffee Zine Coffee House. And this is the place. Well, look like this is pretty much like for Indonesian people. I can see there are several customers in the place, but there mostly are Indonesian people. Not too bad. The place seems busy. There are lots of people here on this side here. over there is Aussie pies. I'm not so sure if you can see it from the screen here. Aussie pies, and then next to the Aussie pies is called Soto Paji, and that's just a place. Soto is like chicken soup with some noodle broth and green veggies as well. And this is Indonesian food. This is the place here. And then right here on the right hand side is Ace hardware store. There is the building over there, the big building. And this one here is a parking lot. This parking lot is called Central Parking Lot or Central Park. And then right here on the left hand side there is a burger shop. It's called Kuda Smash Burger. And this is the Aussie pie from the other side. You can order here like hot Aussie. So that's just the sign in here. They're selling t-shirt here. This place is called LA, and the price for the t-shirt is 69K, which is about $7 Australian. And there is the ice cream shop here. The ice cream shop is called Mixu. Talking about Mixu, Mixu is pretty popular here in Bali. There are a lot of kids, teenagers, they like to go to this shop. Then right here you can get Balinese traditional food. It's called ayam betutu, and this is the place here. So they sell other food as well beside ayam betutu, but ayam betutu is yes, the most popular one, where you can order right here in this restaurant. I can see there are a few people inside, and they're mostly are Indonesian people. And this is the sign in here. They do deliveries as well. Mr. DIY here. It's over there actually. Okay, this is the entrance to Mr. DIY. So Mr. DIY is on the second floor. We're here right in the front of IKEA. Don't really know how to spell it, to pronounce it. Yeah, let's have a look here. Ice cream, 15K. Yeah, this is the ice cream counter here. We're gonna check out the menu. So they got here IKEA signature 20k, IKEA signature cocoa 20k, chocolate 15k, vanilla 15k. They got lots of flavor here. Selamat siang. And if you order ice cream, you can take a seat here. They got some sitting area here. And this is the entrance to IKEA. They have glass door. Wow. Like this little station. It's very interesting. So they got some outdoor sitting area here. And this is drop-off area and pick-up area for the IKEA and Mr. DIY as well. I'm not so sure if they let me in filming inside, but I'm gonna try. I will just show you from the outside. And this is the door. Gonna walk inside. Hopefully no problem. Wow, finally made it inside. Oh my gosh, I can see there's so many beautiful stuff here. And they also have a restaurant here inside. And they got Well, it is time for me to say goodbye to y'all, and hopefully you'll enjoy last video. And if you like, please give me the thumbs up. Please like this video. Please share this video with others. It really means something. And please put a comment down below. We'll see you again, guys, in my next video. Have a great day. Take care, and don't forget to keep smiling.